It's time to check your inbox. You should have an email with a link leading to a big old wad of paperwork. Follow the link and review and sign everything as soon as you can. Each document, as you scroll through and sign things, is going to fall into one of three categories. It's either your application, a permission slip, or a disclosure. The application forms are really obvious. As you sign them, you're requesting a loan, you're sharing the information we need to process it. Pretty simple. The initial application you're signing is going to evolve a little bit through the process as we get updated information, and you're going to sign a final, fine-tuned application at closing. Now, if you notice anything that's a little out of date or needs updating, let us know as you go through and sign things. We'll start that updating process now, but definitely don't dwell too much on bank balances, credit card balances, and things like that. Those are dynamic, they change all the time, and our paperwork is always just going to reflect whatever the balance is on the most recent document that we have on file. Now, the permission slips are also easy to spot. Signing these will authorize us to verify your income and your employment and your assets and your social security number, tax returns, all that good stuff. And then everything else, if it isn't your application or a permission slip, it's a disclosure. As you're signing each one of the disclosures, you're just acknowledging receipt. And in with the disclosures, you'll find your loan estimate. And that's where the numbers we've been talking about start to get a little bit of an official treatment. Collectively, these documents are the kickoff to your loan. So again, sign them as soon as you can. We can't process your loan. Really, technically, there isn't a loan for us to process until you've signed these documents. And a delay to signing them gets us off to a slow start that could create problems later or even delay your closing. And if your purchase and sale agreement requires that you make application within a certain time frame, often it will, signing these forms is how you're going to tick that box and stay in compliance with your contract. But don't worry. I know you're signing a lot of things, but you're not signing for the loan and you're not obligating yourself to anything. That happens at closing. We are many stops down the line from that point in time, and you've got plenty of time to step off the train if you get bad news from a home inspection or for some other reason you decide this isn't the right house and it isn't a property you want to buy. You can scroll down on this page for an index of all the documents you're going to be signing, a guide to your loan estimate, and some other resources that I hope you find helpful. But please reach out anytime you have questions. We're always here as a resource and to help.